Today I'm showing you how to make one of my absolute favorite Dominican dishes, arroz con guandules y coco, or pigeon pea and coconut milk rice. This recipe is extra special to me because my family is from the Dominican Republic and guandules are a signature ingredient in Dominican cuisine. My family and I grow a lot of pigeon pea plants, so we get to harvest our own beans fresh from the garden. Alright, let's get started on this delicious coconut pigeon pea rice. You can find the full recipe with ingredient quantities and directions linked in the description below. This dish can be made with fresh, frozen, or canned pigeon peas. If you're using frozen pigeon peas, make sure to defrost them for a few hours and drain off any excess water. If you're using canned, just drain and rinse them. Next, set a large pot or caldero over medium heat. Add olive oil, minced garlic, and sofrito. I make my own sofrito since it uses up so many ingredients from the garden. I'll link to my video showing how I make it in the description, but you can also buy it at the store. Stir fry everything until it becomes soft, fragrant, and lightly golden. This is the flavor base of the rice, so take your time and let everything come together. Next, add tomato paste and stir well. Add the pigeon peas with 1 cup of water to make it easier to stir everything. Then add chicken bouillon powder, a packet of Sazon, some chopped cilantro or just rip it by hand, a can of coconut milk, and salt. Then add the rice. I prefer to use jasmine rice, but long grain rice is also a popular option. Give everything a good stir so the rice and peas absorb all of the flavor. Then place the lid on the pot. Lower the heat to low so the rice can steam cook. This will take anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes depending on your stove and the pot you're using. Make sure to mix the rice about once every 10 minutes so it cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the bottom. The arroz con guandules y coco is ready when the rice is tender but still al dente. Once it reaches that perfect texture, remove it from the heat and serve. This rice is creamy, flavorful, and filled with a traditional Dominican taste of coconut and guandules. It's one of my favorite comfort foods, and I'm so happy to share it with you today. I plated the rice with some sofrito baked chicken and butter garlic yuca, all of which I have recipe videos for, and I'll just link them below in the description. If you want to grow your own pigeon peas, you can find pigeon pea seeds on my website, and I'll link my full tutorial on how to grow pigeon peas in the description. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.